Grandma's Movie Reviews.
I really enjoyed it. Yeah, it entertained me.
Meet Grandma.
From the minute it starts, it grabs your attention.
She's honest.
I was a little disappointed.
She makes you think.
I'm sitting there watching it and saying, they're pulling my leg.
She's compassionate.
How many stars
I hate to give a movie a 1.
She tells it like it is.
And he smokes.
And he smokes.
And he doesn't want anybody to know it.
She interrupts.
Can I say one thing?
She's direct.
I don't see how you would enjoy it.
She likes to laugh. She's precise.
And it takes place in 1932.
And she's so sweet.
She looks at her aunt and says, you said you were going to fix everything.
She'll give you an honest movie review with no bias.
I didn't like it. It took forever.
Grandma Marie's Movie Reviews. Have her on your show.
Everybody should see it.